It's package day, and I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm not sure if this is actually from an Amazon purchase. I don't believe I purchased anything on Amazon, so I'm thinking maybe some Amazon packaging was just reused for this one. So anyways, let's take a crack open and see what we got inside. Ooh, we got a package within a package, which is always desirable. Let's see what we got in here. Trying to be a little bit careful, more careful with the way I unpackage things. Seems to be some sort of a round. Oh, this is actually two things. I picked up a couple things that I found to be very, very unique, because they are unique, and these are actually very, very rare Engelhard items. So this right here is a round from 1975, and this is actually a Stevcoknit, and this is a company that Engelhard had actually made rounds for. So this is actually an Engelhard vintage product before prospectors were even around, 1975. So as you recall, the prospectors are from 1982 to 1987. So this is a round made by Engelhard for another company, and there's actually only 5,000 of these minted, and so they're actually quite not common. You know, they're not very easy to get for a reasonable price, so I just felt that I needed to have this. This is an extremely good quality, by the way. Both sides. Let's take a look here. Fabrics of sterling quality. Engelhard. You see there? Engelhard 999 fine silver 1 troy ounce. Stevco wovens. And over here, Stevcoknit. Fabrics of sterling quality 1975. So that's this is an extremely special round for me. I also did pick up, I believe it's still coming in the mail, picked up a 1976, which has a slightly different design, and I'm excited to show you that to you guys and gals as well. But this is not the only item that I'm excited to get from this seller. I was also able to pick up these gold standard 1 ounce bars, which are also an Engelhard extremely vintage, extremely low mint product. These are extremely hard to get, and the really amazing thing about these is that they're in the original wrapping, the original cellophane wrapping. And so this is you know, Gold Standard had made their own bullion products, but again, Engelhard had produced these for Gold Standard, and so this is actually an Engelhard vintage product. Gold Standard, you know, you might be able to get some Gold Standard stuff, maybe not at as high of a premium, but to get an Engelhard produced bar for Gold Standard, that's great. A little bit of, you know, blemishes, imperfections there on the back. I really like this the back of this, these bars though. It's kind of got like that frosted, almost like a diamondy kind of a finish. It's very, very, very satisfying, very unique to look at. So there you have it, guys and gals, the Gold Standard 1 troy ounce fine silver 999 by Engelhard. I will have to, I can't recall off the top of my head the mintage on these, but it's quite low. I'll have to include that maybe in the title of the video, or perhaps in the description. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode of SBS.